all. We are back to resume with our English lesson. In our last lesson, we looked at the second class degree, that is the comparative. We looked at the second class degree, that is the comparative. We said that the comparative is regarded as the second class degree. Second class degree. That means it is when you are comparing the two. And we went ahead to say that with the comparative, when we are dealing with the comparative, we add ER to the adjective. Because you are comparing the two. For example, we say that we have tall. Then when it comes to the second class degree, that is the comparative, it changes to taller. And we said that with the second class degree, it is always accompanied with than. Taller than. That than has to be there after the comparative, or after the second class degree. Then we also looked at small. We are comparing the two. That is the comparative. Then, if you are comparing the two, one might be small, and again there should be somebody who is smaller than the first one. Then, second class is smaller than. Then we also have old as an adjective. Then its comparative is older. You add ER to the adjective. Older than. Then we also have young. That girl is young. When we are comparing in terms of age. Young. Then the other one might be younger. Younger than. Second class always goes with than. Then we also have, you might have bright. Those quick achievers. Somebody who perceives very fast. Bright. Then when you are comparing the two, though this one is bright, but the other one is extreme. Brighter than. We add ER to the adjective. You might also have long as your adjective. Long. This road is long. Then, when you are comparing the two, it becomes longer than. I told you that with the comparative, with the second class degree, that is the comparative, we add ER to the adjective. And with the second class degree, we have always to put than after the comparative. That is what we looked at. Now, we want to deal with the three. Before categorizing which one changes how, let us look at the three classes. Then after that, we shall begin grouping them. This one, when it is in comparative form, how is it written? How does it change? This one, when it is in the third class degree, how does it change? And how is it written? Let us have the three classes. Whereby we say that our first class is the adjective. Then our second is the comparative. And our third class is the superlative. Super is the superlative. So far, at least we have a clue about these two. These two, we have a clue. But that one, we have not yet looked at it. And we cannot look at that last one. What are we going to compare? At least we are comparing the first one with the second one and the third one. This one is regarded as the first class degree. First class, sorry, is regarded as the first class degree. Then this one here, second class degree. Second class degree. Then the third one is this one here. This one here is the third class degree. When they talk of first class, that is the adjective. It goes to the second class, that is the comparative. And with the third one, this is the superlative. That is the superlative. That is the superlative. Those are the three classes we have. Here, we are going to have our first class. Here, we are going to have our second class. And here, we are going to have our third class. Now, here in the adjective column, we can have an adjective old. 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 You are not comparing anything. We have old. What about when you are comparing that two? Then it goes to the comparative. It goes to the second class degree. This one is old. But again, when I look at the second one looks a little bit extreme. We say older. We say that with the second class degree, we add ER to the adjective to make it comparative. Older. What about when you're comparing the three? That's when the superlative comes in, the third class degree. You are comparing the three now, not the two. You are comparing the three. Old, older, then the extreme one is oldest. Oldest. Here again, you don't bring in your R. It becomes oldest. Then we have another adjective as small. As small. That girl is small. But again, when they bring another one, you see that the other one is a little bit extreme. Then small, smaller. That is the second class degree. We add ER. And when it comes to the structure form, there should be than. When you are explaining it in sentence form, that has to be there. Small, smaller. Then the third one is smallest. Small, smaller, smallest. You just add EST. Smallest. Then we also have tall. That tree is tall. What about the other one? The other one is taller. Taller. And when we look at the third one is beyond. It is the tallest. It is the tallest tree in the forest. We can also have long as an adjective. What about when you are comparing the two? We have longer. Then when you are comparing the third class, that is longest. It is the longest tree in the forest. Longest. Then we also have high. We also have high. High. When it comes to the second class degree, it is higher. Higher. She's higher than. Higher. And the third class is highest. She was the highest. 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 Then we also have neat. Her work is neat. Though this one's work is neat, but when we look at another work, it is a little bit better than this. Then we have neat, neater, neater, neater. That means when you look at their work, this one is the best. When you look at their work, though this one is neat, but when you look at this one here, it is beyond. So we have neat, neater. You just add ER to the comparative. Then there is another one which is the best out of the two. It becomes extremely good. That is neatest. Neatest. Neat, neater, neatest. Then we also have sharp. For example, you might be having a knife. When you are regarding that knife as a sharp knife, that knife which cuts very fast without getting stuck anywhere. But there are those knives you try to maybe to slice something when you are just struggling with the knife. But there are those ones that will cut worse. And if you are not careful with it, it can even cut you, the one who is using it. Then we have the sharp. And there is the other one which is a little bit extreme. And that one can be regarded as a sharper. You are comparing the two. That knife is sharper. Sharper than. Remember with the second class, we said that with the second class, it is we add ER, and after ER, if it is in sentence form, there should be than after the comparative. Then there is that one. When you are comparing the three, sharp, sharper, sharpest, sharpest, sharpest. You are comparing the three, sharp, sharper, sharpest. We also have young. Young. You might be having young children at home. But there is that one who is, there should be that one maybe crawling. There should be somebody who is newly born. Now when we are comparing the two, this one is young. Oh, this one is young. But when I look at this one, no, this one is young. But when I look at the second one looks younger. The second one looks younger than the first one. We add ER. And there is that one, a 1 old, maybe a 1 year child. Somebody might be 1 year and a half. Another one might be 2 years. Then there is that 1 year old child. That one is that youngest. Youngest. In a simple way, all in simple terms, with the second class degree, that is comparative, we add ER for this case now. We add ER to the comparative. And with the superlative, the third class degree, we add EST. R doesn't appear anymore. We just add EST with the third class degree. And with the second class degree, we add ER. That indicates the comparative. With the superlative, we add est to make the third class degree. Let us pass through. Let us pass through the three classes we have. We have the adjective, which is regarded as the first class degree. Some people call it positive. We have first class degree as our adjective. We have our second class degree as our comparative. And with our superlative, it is regarded as the third class degree. We are comparing the three now. What matters is how to write the second class and the third class. We have old, older, oldest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. Long, longer, longest. High, higher, highest. Neat, neater, neatest. Sharp, sharper, sharpest. Young, younger, youngest. For today, we have looked at the three classes, but there are those adjectives. When we are comparing them, talking about the superlative and the comparative, they have different